service order, may come in. Please come in. Right. Pare, flat yung gulong. Where would you like me to set up the table? Please set up here. Ikot ka. Is there anything else that I can do? That's all. Can I present the bill, sir? Yeah, sure. When would you like to come up? When would you like to come back, sir? Later, sir. Please come back after 30 seconds. Okay, sir. When you're ready, please call us and dial it, yeah? Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Enjoy your meeting.